Are you awake out there? Are you focused? All right, then let's do it. It's time for our warm up. It's important that you echo what I say when Baby Echo looks at you so that you can practice these sounds. Here we go. A apple A safe A. E at E P E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U rule oo. Great job on those. And now let's pick some sounds that can sometimes be a little tricky to practice. A apple A safe A. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U rule oo. What are the two sounds long U makes? U and oo. Woohoo! ONG song ong. UNG long ong. S bugs z. S snakes. When does S say z? When it's a suffix at the end, and sometimes when it's between two vowels, like rise and shine. All right, everybody, rise and shine, wake up, because we've got a word of the day coming at you. Are you ready for this? Okay, check it out. It's going to start with a blend. What's the blend? Brr, brr. Are you cold? Brr. Here comes the vowel. We don't know what sound it makes yet because we need to finish and see the syllable type. Okay, what does that vowel say? We've got vowel consonant E. It says it's long sound. A, brave. What's the word? Brave. Talk to me about brave. Do you know anyone who's brave? Yes, a firefighter is brave. A police worker is brave. Doctors are brave. They're especially right now. They're very brave. How about Sheila Ray? I think all of you have read that story, Sheila Ray, the Brave. Yeah, she is fearless, isn't she? Okay, so take a look. How are we going to mark our word? Good, we'll mark the blend. Now let's mark the syllable. What type is it? Vowel, consonant, E. Silent E. And what do we call this line over the A? Macron. Mark the A, mark the A, mark it with a macron. It says it's long sound. Yes, it says its name. All right, there we go. That's brave. What do you say we enter it into our student notebooks? You know the drill. You find the vocab section. Doesn't matter if your book is this color or if it's the green book. You still have the vocabulary section, and you find the B. And you go ahead and on that top line, you write brave, and you mark the syllable and the blend like so. Blah, there it is. Okay, get that in, and then we will put a sentence down below. Let's do Sheila Ray, since we've all read that book. Sheila Ray is brave. Okay, copy down the word and the sentence. You might want to pause right here to get that down. Okay, if you're back, you must have finished. We're going to scoop it and read it. Sheila Ray is brave. Read it smoothly. That's why we scoop. Sheila Ray is brave. Okay, great job, my friends. Once you have that copied in, you may put it away. And things are about to get a little bit tricky. It's tricky to do trick words. All right, you probably don't know that song. So I will spare you from the singing for today. Come on over this way to our trick word area. I'm going to bring you a little closer. There we go. Okay, friends, ready? We have some sentence frames, and we have our frame up here to frame our thoughts. We start with an uppercase and end with some punctuation. So here's my sentence. Repeat after me. She is my friend. How many words? She is my friend. 4 words. Here we go. She is my friend. I can get rid of these, and I'll put my little one, and watch me write. I start with an uppercase. She is my friend. And I'll put my period. Okay, I'm going to circle this word right here and see if you can tell me what that word says. She is my friend. What's my circled word? Friend, that's right. This is our new trick word. I'm going to write it up here, and let's talk about what's tricky. It starts with the blend, FR, fur, friend. That's not tricky. That's something that we could tap out if we needed to. Let me add this I. Do you hear I or I in friend? No. But now let's look at the end of friend. Look, it says end. So only part of friend that's tricky is the I. The rest you could tap out. You just have to remember that I. And the way you could remember is you can say, I want to be your friend until the end. Will you be my friend too? Oh, thanks, baby echo. Okay. So I'm gonna add and circle another word. Watch this. I'm gonna move this over. She is my other friend. And I'm gonna circle this word right here. She is my other friend. Can anybody read the new word I circled? Very good. It says other. O-T-H-E-R. The tricky part's the O. It sounds like a short U. It sounds like other. The rest of it's not tricky. Remember, the important thing about trick words is to just learn the tricky part. All right, I'm going to change one thing. I'm going to change other to this word. Let me read the sentence now. She is another friend. She is another friend. What does this word say? Yeah, I'll write it a little bigger up here. An other. It's got the word and it's got the word other. So the only tricky part again is the O. And if you know how to spell other, then you'll know how to spell another. Okay, another thing we will do right now, practice writing them. Let's start with the word friend. So we have it right here to look at to help us. Let's get our fingers out and skywrite. Here we go. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Take your finger. Let's write it. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. I will be your friend till the end. Okay, I hope you're standing up. Hope your arm is out with your 2 fingers straight. Very important. We need to use our whole body here. Let's do the next word. Other. O-T-H-E-R. Other. O-T-H-E-R. Other. Last word. Another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. another finger. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Woo! Those new trick words are some good ones. What do we always do at the end of learning new trick words? We add them to our handy dandy student notebook. So find the trick word section. And let me go ahead and write them for you. Let's start with friend. So you should be opening up to the letter F and adding the word friend. I'll put it up in a moment. Make sure you spell it correctly. After that, you'll go to the O and add the word other. And after that, you'll go to the A and add another. You should pause the screen right here to get all these words copied down, okay? Great job!